Hello dear students, today we are going to read lesson number 5. Topic is former Indian and princely states and this is for class 7th. Former cricketer Mansoor Ali Khan hailed from the ruling party of the small state which is located near Delhi. The name of the state was Pataudi. Princely state in central India which is ruled by the Begums was Bhopal. Bhopal state as a part of the Central India Agency was a tributary state. In 18th century India, princely salute state with 19-gun salute in a subsidiary alliance with British India from 1818 to 1947. Gir National Park is located in this princely state. The name was Junagadh. State ruled by the Gaikwads and situated in the western India. The name of the state was Baroda. Baroda state was a state in present-day Gujarat which is ruled by the Gaikwad dynasty of the Maratha Confederacy from its formation in 1721 until its accession to the newly formed Dominion of India in 1949. The northeastern state which is ruled by the Manikya dynasty, the name of the state was Tripura. The Manikya dynasty was the ruling house of the Tripura kingdom and later the princely Tripura state, what is now the Indian state of the same name. Keoladeo Ghana Bird Sanctuary is located in this state. The name was Bharatpur. Keoladeo National Park or Keoladeo Ghana Bird Sanctuary National Park, formerly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Princely state ruled by the Scindia rulers, Gwalior. The name of the state was Gwalior. The Scindia family ruled Gwalior until India's independence from the United Kingdom in 1947 when the Maharaja Jivaji Rao Scindia acceded to the government of India. This princely state was last to join India was Sikkim. The kingdom of Sikkim was founded by the Namgyal dynasty in the 17th century. It was ruled by a Buddhist priest king known as the Chogyal. The rulers of this princely state were the great supporters of cricket. The name of the state was Patiala. Yuvraj of Patiala, Yadavindra Singh, the test cricketer who turned to be the king. The princely state was located in the Deccan, India and became a part of India after Operation Polo. The name of the state was Hyderabad. Operation Polo was the code name of the Hyderabad police action in September 1948 by the then newly independent India against the Hyderabad state. The princely state was ruled by the Ahluwalia kings. The name of the state was Kapurthala. Kapurthala is a city in Punjab state of India. It is the administrative headquarters of Kapurthala district. The style of paintings of this princely state located in north is very famous. The name of the state was Kangra. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.